Hello everyone. In today's video we'll be talking about happiness. Now what happiness is? Happiness is an emotion, it's a feeling that comes from deep within. It's something very organic. आपके अंदर से आनी चाहिए. It's yours and trust me when I say that it is not dependent on anyone, any person. It's not related to success, failure. It is a choice that you make every day and you have to work towards it. Your mind needs to work towards it to get that happiness. And if I have to describe happiness in today's time, it is more like the peace that you have. It's more like the harmony that you have with yourself, within yourself. That is happiness. And to make it more easy, I'll give you certain steps that you can try. So the first is exhaust yourself, which means do any form of exercise. It can be yoga, Zumba, hit the gym, because it releases a lot of hormones in your body, makes your brain lighter, and this is the way to it, to just exhaust. The second form of it is having a nutritious diet. Just take care of what you are having, be a little mindful. A right balance of protein, fiber and carbs can really make your body look well and you feel well from within. So that is one form of happiness that you get and you can achieve by just exercising and following a nutritious diet. So that is first. The second most important aspect is, like when we were young, when we were kids, so we used to be happy just by painting something or riding a bicycle, or maybe just doing little of things that we could. In today's time, why not just take that hobby up again? And if I say that, taking up a new hobby, or maybe upskilling yourself towards your job, towards the work that you are doing. And why is that so? Because it instills a lot of confidence in you. It somehow rejuvenates you completely. It makes you feel stronger and better. So why not try this? And when you do this, it will definitely work for you. The second thing is coming up with a new hobby or maybe upskilling yourself. So this is the second one. When I talk about the third thing, which is in real terms detoxification, which can be just quitting social media for a certain period of time, maybe just releasing few emotions through meditation, through journaling, and just deep breaths. And that release of emotion is very, very essential for you and your body. Also, just removing the people that you don't feel the urge to have in your life. And trust me, by just detoxification of your anger, those people and emotion can release a lot of happy hormones in your body, and it can make you really feel that way and peaceful and better. So just try these few steps and let me know if it works for you. Thank you.